In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Pipedrive to Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet you can analyze, share, or back up, all pulled directly from your Pipedrive account. First, head to the Data section in Pipedrive and choose exactly what you want to export. You can work with contacts, which includes people and organizations, or you can select deals or activities. Pick the area that matches the information you need, so you're starting from the right place. Next, make sure you're viewing your data in list view, the table style layout. If you see cards or a pipeline style board, switch to the list. The list view makes it easy to confirm you're looking at the right records and helps you preview what will be included. If you only want a specific subset of records, apply a filter. Click Filter and narrow things down by owner, status, stage, date range, or any field that matters to you. This is optional, but it's the best way to avoid exporting more than you need. If you want everything, just leave the default view as is. Now look to the top right of the page and click the 3 dots for more options. This reveals the export tools tied to whatever you're currently viewing. Choose Export Filter Results. This tells Pipedrive to export only what your current view or filter is showing, which keeps your file focused and tidy. When prompted, pick your export format. Select Excel, the XLSX option, if you plan to work in Microsoft Excel immediately and want formatting to carry over smoothly. Choose CSV if you prefer a lightweight file for imports into other tools, or if you're handling very large datasets. Either format will preserve your data, it's just about how you plan to use it next. Click Export to generate the file and download it. Depending on how much data you selected, this may take a moment. Your browser will save the file to your usual downloads folder, so keep an eye there. Finally, open the downloaded file in Microsoft Excel. If Excel asks you to enable editing, go ahead so you can sort, filter, and format your columns. From here, you can build pivot tables, create charts, or share the spreadsheet with your team. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Pipedrive data to Excel, using filters to keep it precise and the format that best matches your workflow. Thanks for watching.